Assalamu alaikum. Today we are here going to cover up another chapter, which is data transmission and unit number 2. In this lesson we will discuss about a very minor topic, and I will tell you that what kind of questions are supposed to be asked, and Cambridge maybe ask such a type of questions. So from the past paper previous experiences I will share some kind of questions with you. When you are forwarding the data, or you can say when you are sending the data, so your data is basically split up, and that splitting basically called a data packets or datagrams. It basically happens when your data is traveling from the over the long distances. So why data is broken, why data just come up in kind of data packets, or you can say datagrams. Basically the reason is this: it makes like the process of sending data much easier, and it's easier to control compared to a long as well, to continuous stream of data. So maybe you observe that when you are forwarding the data, or you can say forwarding the video which is lengthy to and over the distances you are forwarding to your some kind of friends, so you maybe notice that it takes time. All right, it is circling slowly. It means that it is not sending at once. It will take time, the first, second, third, and later the in like kind of chunks it will be sent, and at the receiving side it will be just like a reassembled again, the thing is. So why it is broken? It basically makes a process of sending data much easier, and it's easier to control compared to long so continuous stream of data. Each packet is sent towards the same destination but through different routes. Here, what does it mean by different routes? Here, well, we'll look up the example just like this, that you are forwarding your letter to post box as well. All right. So postman is just going to put this one letter to its destination, whatever you mention on the letter. So maybe you are living in a Lahore and you mention the address of Islamabad, where the postman will forward the letter. So the postman is basically following different routes using a map. So he is not be like following just one mentioned address. No, there's a possibility that the route he is following maybe just come like a faulty, maybe some like under construction, so he will change the route. So thing is this: when your data has been split up and now it is kind of a package, so it will towards is sent towards like a same destination but using different routes. Using the different routes doesn't mean that if you are using you cannot say like a same destination. um, it will be the same destination but the route will be different. So one issue that comes when your data has been split up, that when it comes in the destination, it just take times to reassemble. There is a possibility that maybe your data, when it is split up, the one part has been come and another is waiting as well. So the when your receiving device will wait unless until all the parts are not coming. Well, here is the question that has been come in past paper as well. What is the basically the examiner asking about list out the structure of data packet. So remember, this structure of data packet is consisting on basically three kind of points. The number one is a packet header, the number two is a payload, and number three is trailer. When it is asked, the students write down the wrong answers basically. So they may write down the IP address of the sender, IP address of the receiver. No, he is asking about the structure of data packet. So the structure of data packet is basically consisting on these three steps: packet header, payload, and trailer. When examiner is asking about that, list out the elements what the packet header contains, now you can say IP address of the receiver, IP address of the sender, sequence of data packets, and size of packets as well. So these are the four elements which comes up in kind of header. So there is a one question. The number two question, examiner may mention that one structure of data packet is packet header, mentioned others. So you can write down the answer payload or trailer. Another question may becomes like, what does it mean by payload? So payload is basically having the actual data that has to be sent from sending device to the receiving device as well. And the third part is trailer. Trailer basically identify that your data has been sent from sending side to the receiving device without any error. So these are the type of questions that may be asked in data transmission. All right. So in this video we have learned about the uh, scenario as well, so what type of questions are to be expected. In the next lesson we will cover up the packet switching. So you just subscribe the channel and just stay tuned, and we will definitely gradually or slowly will cover each and everything with the help of past paper practice.